English in depth. Age and history. The old and the new. Hello, learners. Welcome to another engaging episode of English in Depth. Today, we're diving into the topic of describing places with a special emphasis on age and history. We're going to learn how to use adjectives that help convey the age, historical significance, or era of a place. When we talk about a place's age and history, we're often referring to how old it is, its historical significance, or the era it hails from. Understanding this context is key to vividly describing a location. Let's dive into the pool of adjectives that can help us express these concepts. Describing the age of a place involves words that convey how old or new it is. Ancient, old, historic, dated, and antiquated are often used for very old or historically significant places. For example, the ancient ruins captivated the archaeologists. The house, despite its old and worn look, was full of charm. For newer places, adjectives such as new, modern, contemporary, recent, and fresh could be used. Here's how. The modern architecture of the skyscraper was breathtaking. They moved to a recently developed suburb. Now let's focus on adjectives to describe a place's historical significance or connections. Words like historic, symbolic, traditional, legendary, and memorable can be used. Consider these examples. The historic monument was a testament to the city's rich past. The legendary city is known for its ancient folklore. Sometimes, we want to evoke the sense of a certain era or time period. For this, adjectives such as vintage, retro, Victorian, medieval, and futuristic come in handy. Look at these sentences. The vintage cafe had a charming 1950s theme. The futuristic design of the building looked like it was straight out of a science fiction movie. And there we have it. Now you're equipped with a new set of adjectives to describe the age, history, and era of a place. Remember, practicing these words in your conversations and writings will help you become more comfortable with them. Keep exploring, keep learning, and I'll see you in our next episode of English in Depth. Until then, happy learning.